Today is 11/10/24, and we're changing the bank one sensor one on the 2001 RX300 Lexus. So the bank 2 O2 sensor is like right here. So supposedly, can't see it, but if you press your finger here, you can pull the wire out. Down there, they only allow you to have one finger to pull out. So it'll be nice if one person up here was to press it down and the other person pull it out from the bottom. But before you pull out, make sure you push it to the driver's side. Then the person up here is going to press down, and then you're down there pulling it out. And then, but getting the O2 sensor out was pretty straightforward. I just used this tool here. My tool's over here. Just your regular O2 sensor tool with a curvy ratchet. This thing right here, 7/8. I tried to use one of these, but by the time it fits, these things are too long and it hits the frame already. So it was pretty simple. I did put some loosening bolt oil on it, penetrating oil. All right, so I got a helper to the top. They're gonna press their finger in there, and then I'm gonna go down there and pull it out. Okay, I won't record it, but that's the idea.